Hey, this is Peter Anthony, and I guess I just decided I'd have a bike check. Um, in case you were wondering, this is the 2013 Verde Theory, and yeah, it's 2013 bike, and it's not even 2013 yet, so I thought that was pretty awesome. And basically, it's all Verde parts except for the duo pivotal seat. My newest features are, we got ODI grips, nice, spineless. I got some Eastern pedals, and I also got these stolen pegs. Nice neon stolen pegs. I also got this chain from Revolution Bike. Just a KMC red chain. It's really awesome. It's been doing pretty good. Yeah. More dual parts would probably be. What were the other dual parts? I knew there were some more. Oh yeah, the tires, dual tires. And this bike originally came with duo grips, duo pedals, and I think that's it with the duo. But I guess all the rest is Verde. Nice frame. Nice bars, Verde, yeah, Verde everything, basically, 2013. It's pretty nice. I like it a lot. It's been holding up. The retail on this bike was probably around, like, with tax and everything, probably like $500. It's not that much for this nice bike. I mean, I would definitely say it's worth it. Yeah. Also, I forgot, this new feature is this cable, blue cable I just got from Revolution Bike. And yeah, I bought this bike from Revolution Bike. I recommend that store. The store is pretty awesome. Yeah. So just in case you were wondering, this is the bike I've been using. And yeah, it is a 20-inch tires, and yeah, several. I think I got over everything I wanted to. But yeah, this is my 2013 Verde Theory, obviously in blue. Yeah, thanks for watching.